step by step. This person lost you. Always feed on your energies. You're sick of this person's. You forgive them. They will again drag you in third part. You feel deception about your feelings and are not asking about this person's feelings. Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your online psychic love reading for the month of May, Tuesday special. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This maybe resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guidance from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. What are the Sagittarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Sagittarius? What are the Sagittarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Sagittarius? What are the Sagittarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Sagittarius? We are having here Five of Cups, Queen of Cups, King of Cups, the Lovers. What are the Sagittarians' feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Sagittarians' feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Four of Sword, Six of Sword, Strength, the Fool. What are the mutual energies? Sagittarius, Four of Cups, Two of Pentacles. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. Leo with this Strength, Gemini with this Lovers, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this King of Cups, Five of Cups, Queen of Cups, Four of Cups, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Two of Pentacles, Aries with the Six of Sword and Four of Sword. Regrets in this person. This person is totally regretting the moment when they lost you, and they will do that thing over and over again. Slowly, step by step, this person lost you. You give this person a chance, and this person again take advantage of this chance. Instead of building this relation and connection with you, they just take advantage, and now they are in regrets. They're well aware of their mistakes and their the darkness. They loop in past nostalgia in this person. They are just regretting and grieving over past, and because you are not giving your cup of love to this person, they know that you are the responsible one in your feelings and in your emotions. You are really responsible in your love matter. Responsibility, you take responsibility of your emotions and feelings. You are not talking, you are not giving your love to this person, and plus you are not talking about your feelings and emotions with this person. You really don't want to discuss about how you feel. You done telling this person. They always feed on your energies. They always take advantage of your feelings and emotions, and you are done telling this person. They feel like that you are moody, you are not giving your love to this person, but they are regretting the moment why you are not giving. They know that why you are not talking about your feelings and emotions, why you are not giving your cup of love to this person, because this person do such things that is totally uh, they can't reverse that. They feel this connection with you. They feel like that they can't replace you. Whatever they have with you, whatever they had with you, they can't have with anyone else. You are the one who is the solo owner of these blessed, fated feelings. This person know that, they realize now, and you are not the same person. You are changed. Their behavior changed you a bit, and you are moody here. You are not giving your love to this person. That's why this person is regretting, and you want to take break from this person, the actual one. You are taking break from this person. You are done. You are sick of this person's playing and these hide and seek. You are done with that. You want to take break, and you are really strong on in this. That's why I'm saying that you really want to take break, or maybe you already take break from this person. Still you are taking break for this person, from this person. If this person is returned, if they you, they feel they want to talk about your feelings, they want you to tell what how you feel. Still there is a break. Still you really don't want to talk to this person, because you control your feelings and emotions. They can't take advantage, they can't trigger your feelings and emotions. You are totally done with this person. There is still a break, Sagittarius. You really don't want to take break from this break. You are moving on in your life and you are having new beginning. You putting away negativity behind and moving on in your life with the Six of Swords. You are done. You are really don't want this person to, again giving you illusions and confusion and anxieties, and you are just keep asking yourself, this person love me or not. You are not want to repeat this thing with you, with this person, and this person loyal with you or not. But just you just walking away from, you are just moving, and you actually want to take break, and there is still a break is on, because you are really strong on your feelings and emotions, and you're diving into new beginning. You want to have a new beginning in your life. And with this Four of Cups, yes, you are stubborn. They can feel your stubborn behavior. They think you are stubborn. You are not taking their cup of love. You are not taking their regrets. You are not even accepting their excuse. Maybe you forgive them, maybe, but you can't be with this person. And this person is like, they find you like you are really stubborn. You know that this person will keep you again in third party. If you talk to this person about you, how you feel, if you make this person to feel special about themselves, if you let this person to feed on your energies, they will again drag you in third party, again compare you with someone, again imbalance and make you imbalance health. That's why you are stubborn toward this person, Sagittarius. Okay, let's see what else we have for you, Sagittarius. What else we have for Sagittarius? What's the outcome? High Priestess, Magician, Chariot. With this High Priestess, this person is finding you like you are a mystery, a complete mystery. You're really mysterious in this person's eye. They can't decode you, they can't decipher you, they can't know what is in your mind, what is happening in your head. You always, when you switched on your this mysterious mode, nobody can know what is in your mind. And you, no matter how much they're tricking you, how much they showing you like sometimes they just look emotional towards you, they put themselves in a pathetic situation, a miserable situation. Still you are not going to open up with this person. They know that you are a complete mystery and you are controlling your life. You are the one who is solo owner of your happiness. You are not letting anyone to control your life. You are not letting this person to control you or your life, and you are moving on and you are moving forward in your life. You want to run away from this person as soon as possible. You are just setting the goal and chasing your goals. You are not letting this person to be the part of your happiness, share, take a share from your happiness. So you are moving forward in your life. Let's see what else we have for you, Sagittarius. What else we have for Sagittarius? Okay, we are having here the Hermit, the Moon, and Ace of Pentacles. As I told you, you are not going to fall into any trap, so you are putting a distance between this person. This person behavior a little bit scary. You are insecure with from this person. There is an insecurities in you. You are just like, this person is, you think this person is just giving you some kind of illusions. You feel deception. This person definitely going to deceive you. This is the vibes you are getting from this person, and you are insecure with this person because this person give you, deceive you, some kind of deception there. And this person feel like that you are distancing yourself from them. You are not opening up with them. You are not talking about your feelings and emotions. You are not talking in the matter of love. You are not letting this person, and this person stability. This person want you to give them stability. Let them to feed on your energies and be stable again. You already help this person a lot in every matter. Let them to soak all your love from you, and now you are done with that. This person want that kind of stability with you, and you want stability from destiny. Let's see what your angel want to add in this reading. What your angel want to add in this reading? Take action. You are in touch with your truth in this situation, and you need to trust your gut and loving assert yourself. Amazing message from you, angel. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's see what advice. Say thanks. Seek for forgiveness, buddy. Stop listening sad music. Face your fears. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person is regretting over past the moment when they lost you forever. You are not giving your cup of love to this person and not even talking about your feelings and are not asking about this person's feelings. This person feel like that they can't replace you. The whatever they have with you, they can't have with anyone else. But they lost it, and you are taking break. You are moving on. You are diving into new beginning. You are strong here. You are a little bit scared of this person's intention. This person is, deceiving you, and they are feeding on your energy and get stability, and then again put you in anxieties. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.